Have you ever wondered how our beloved devices are silently damaging our rest and well being? Do you find yourself tossing and turning, unable to escape the clutches of insomnia? Have you ever wondered if your late night scrolling or binge watching sessions are the culprits behind your restless nights? What if I told you that the very devices we rely on for entertainment and connectivity are stealthily disrupting our sleep patterns? We are caught in a web of flashing screens and notifications that follow us around at all hours of the day in this digital age. Our smartphone's blue light enters the darkness of the night, fooling our brains into thinking it is sunlight and upsetting the delicate balance of our daily cycle. Our health, mood, and productivity decline as we struggle to fall asleep. Those seemingly innocent-looking screens we hold in our hands today are actually quiet burglars that steal our sleep and threaten our health. Imagine that it is the late at night and that everything is quite silent, but that your mind is fully awake. You reach for your phone instead of giving into sleep, looking for comfort in the glittering depths of social media, emails, and videos. What if I told you that this virtual vacation is actually more of a trap that will keep you from getting the restorative sleep you need? Are we voluntarily giving up on our valuable sleep for the attraction of never-ending scrolling and digital stimulation? Technology has entered every area of our lives in this modern day, but at what cost? Our smartphones' blue light interfaces with their biological cycle, which affects how much melatonin, the sleep hormone, is produced. In the midst of the digital chaos, our minds are still wired and unable to find peace. Lack of sleep has an impact on us, leaving us exhausted, irritable, and unable to function at our best. But despite this, we keep giving in to the seductive appeal of technology, stuck in a loop of sleepless nights and dull days. We spend more and more time each day absorbed in the seductive glow of screens, constantly scrolling through social media feeds, answering emails, and giving in to the seductive of digital entertainment. We mistakenly assume that we are in charge of our own fate and that we are in control of our digital escape. Sleep becomes exclusive, slipping through our fingers like sand, leaving us trapped in a perpetual state of exhaustion. The effect of technology on our ability to sleep and general well-being becomes obvious as the nights turn into weeks and then months. Lack of sleep gradually affects our strength, endangers our mental and physical health, and lowers our spirits. We deteriorate into shadows of our former slaves, overcome by fatigue and unable to function at our peak. But despite all its negative aspects, technology is a double-edged sword. It interferes with our sleep but also provides solutions. Wearable technology and sleep tracking apps are on the rise, giving us a chance to take advantage of technology's potential for good. These tools allow us to keep an eye on our sleeping habits, gain understanding of our routines, and change our sleeping habits with knowledge. But most importantly, we need to reclaim our ability to disconnect. We need to keep in mind that there was life before screens. We need to interact with people in the real world, be in nature, and rediscover the beauty of simplicity. We can restore the harmony between technology and our well-being by escaping the digital tangle. Let us set out on a journey of revelation as the moon rises and the night envelops. A journey where we rediscover ourselves with the power of sleep and reclaim our proper standing in the sphere of rest. Let's chart a new course where technology serves as a tool rather than a master, and where sleep is transformed into a resort of calmness and renewal. For the road ahead is long and the challenges are great, but together we can conquer the digital demons that haunt our nights. Together, we can restore the harmony between technology and our well-being. It is time to reclaim our sleep, to reclaim our lives. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest technological revelations. And if you have any thoughts, comments about the subject, or any suggestions for us, do let us know in the comment box.